Introducing the ultimate diesel hatchback with automatic transmission, packed with a plethora of comfort, safety, and styling features. From the convenience of Bluetooth phone connectivity to the security of multiple airbags and anti-collision systems, this vehicle has it all. With luxurious trim, adjustable seats, and a spacious interior with ample cup holders, every drive will be a pleasure. The sleek design is complemented by privacy glass, spoilers, and door sill protectors, making a statement on the road. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle. Drive away in style and safety with this exceptional hatchback. Your perfect ride awaits.